My name is Ann Njeri. I work with the initiative Elimisha Msichana, Elimisha Jamii na Astronomy in East Africa, which is Swahili for Educate a Girl, educate the entire community with astronomy. In the rural villages where we work, many girls have never looked through a telescope. Yet, the first time they see the rings of Saturn or the vastness of the Milky Way, something in them changes suddenly. For us, astronomy is more than the study of stars. It's a tool of hope, curiosity, and endless possibilities. When these girls point a telescope at the sky, they also open a window into their own futures. Using astronomy, we have inspired tens of thousands of young girls, showing them that science is not out of reach, but with the right support, these girls can become the scientists, engineers, and leaders who transform their communities. To the G20 Science Ministers, please continue to support astronomy, not only as a tool for discovery, but also as a pathway for education, equity, and human potential, as clearly demonstrated by the Square Kilometre Array project.